rolling?
Squall after squall. About every 10 nautical miles. We're close hauled, hard on the breeze, doing about 6.5 knots. Been hitting squall line about every 10 miles. Show them that squall line. On the upside, the boat will get a nice wash down and some of the crew can maybe wash their nets so they don't smell so bad.
Oh, what are you cooking, Captain?
Jambalaya! Oh, I was just going to say, there's a lovely evening shot in the bow here.
Oh yeah.
Little chorizo, little diced onion, little diced pepper. Gonna throw it all in the skillet, grill it a little bit. Then we're gonna cook up some of this red beans and rice, bell peppers and Cajun spices. Mix all together, make a jambalaya. Jambalaya! Come over here.
We have Dawn Green. How's it up here, Dawn? How's the conditions?
Couldn't beat that. Tail magazine, huh? The Androids are right in the basement.
Oh, is it? Oh, we got a fish!
Oh yeah, yeah, big fish. Oh yeah. There's no reason to film all this. It's just going to be winding. Unless it gets off.
Yeah, but Don Green filming, I'm sure he's going to say some good lines. So.
He's going to be like, you know, I think I knew this fish in the previous... Yeah, you know, I went to high school with this fish.
This is the one I let go.
Oh, look, I recognize him. It's Wilbur. It's Wilbur. Can you see those spots under his gills?
Didn't you?
I caught him in Cape Town 20 years ago when he was just a little guppy.
Didn't your father ever tell you not to name your pets? Or name your farm animals?
We hooked the fish at 34, 37 north and 70, 41 west. But unzip that.
What's the bimini?
Yeah, I'll be able to get the freaking fish in the boat. Not all the way.
I didn't.
All right. Oh, he's so close. One more time.
Haha, yeah! Dude, he's big.
Now watch out, he's gonna go wild.
That's a lot of fish.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with it?
I guess you guys are gonna have fish. Mahi steaks.
Don got his fish.
So rest in peace with the Neptune.
Yeah, watch the shark.
And you come back as a bigger, stronger fish in the future.
Yeah.
That's kind of what the fish looked like last night. By the time we got him on board.
Sails are just like wings. You can fly from things. Run before the wind, Lord, let it blow. Let it rock me slow while I sleep below, dreaming dreams that only sailors know. And it will soothe your mind, smooth away your lines, set your clock back on your own time. If you sail with me, we will find the sea. We will find our love over again.
Day 4 on our return voyage from Bermuda to the Chesapeake Bay. It's coming to the end of the day. We're right dead center in the Gulf Stream, getting a good carnival ride here. As you can see, got some squalls in front of us. We're running reef main and just the spacing, and making about 6.5 knots heading to the bay. Today is Saturday, the 1st of July, and SV Corsair crew are approaching the traffic separation pattern in Hampton Roads Harbor. I think we have about 45 miles to the Bay Bridge, and we'll be pulling into one of the marinas in Little Creek tonight to take a break after 5 days and a few hours at sea, sailing from Bermuda back to the Chesapeake Bay. And it's been interesting. Last night we got whacked by a serious squall, or a front going through, about 40 knot winds for about an hour and a half. Got some more squall activity, rainstorms in front of us. But we're almost home, so that's good. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the passage. We have Hampton Roads Harbor right in front of us. We're about to enter the traffic separation scheme. We've got probably still 2 hours or 2.5 hours before we get to the marina. We've had a great run the last 3 or 4 hours. We're going 7.5, 8 knots. So it's a perfect ending to an epic voyage. Thanks for sailing with SV Corsair.
And Don.
So, we're back in the bay and motoring up to Little Creek, where we'll take a slip for a day or two, square things away before taking Corsair home later next week sometime, I don't know when. Upper Chesapeake Bay to Bermuda, 10 days in Bermuda, Bermuda back to the Chesapeake Bay. A lot of challenges, a lot of lessons learned, a lot of fun. I don't know where we're gonna go next. Where are we gonna go next, Captain Clint?
Oh no. Do you know where we're gonna go next?
South Pacific. South Pacific? I don't know, maybe the South Pacific. Maybe we'll just go to...
Caribbean and South Pacific.
Maybe we'll go to Deltaville. That exotic location.
Flight